In this tutorial, I will show you how to earn at least 5,000 per month from Udemy courses. So just you have to you have to add your own courses, and then from that courses you will earn at least 3 to 4,000, 4 to 5,000 monthly from that courses. So let me show you how you can do that. First, you have to sign up, and after sign up, so sign up process is same for the normal user and Udemy instructor. So I am just clicking on sign in as I already have an account here, and then continue on that. Now once you log in, by default it will show you the normal account that you have, and then you will see here one option which is called instructor. So just click on this instructor option, and from here you will see your all the courses that you have uploaded so far. For me, I have already uploaded, if you can see here, uh, 5 6 courses: GraphQL, Learn Basic, GraphQL Full Stack, Swagger API, REST Full API, Complete Java, Selenium, Java for Everyone, and you can see the rating as well. So these all are the courses that I have uploaded here. So what exactly you have to do is you can click on new course, and then you can choose from here. So I'll click on course, click continue, and here you can type the title, what exactly you want to teach. And suppose I'll say that I can say basic Python courses. So this is my new course name. I'll click next, then choose the category. So I'll select here development, click next, and then it will ask you how much time you can spend per week to create this. So you can say anything, you can choose anything, and click create course. And once this is started, right, you have to spend some time on that, like what will a student learn in your course, you have to give these details, and so on you can fill. Now I'll explain this from my existing course that I have already created. For example, GraphQL, I'll just click on manage and edit, and it will come the same UI. So here you can see what benefit a student will get, you have to explain here. And then what are the requirements, so I'll say only basic computer knowledge. And then we have who is this course for, so I can say beginner developer to enhance knowledge in GraphQL. After giving this thing, you have to click on curriculum, and here this part is very important. So for this you have to prepare in advance what all things you want here. So I have given section 1, introduction to GraphQL, and in this section 1 we have 2 lecture. Similarly, section 2 we have 2 lecture, installation. Section 3, introduction to MongoDB, and then I have added these all lectures in this section 3. So it's up to you, whatever thing you want to put in this course you can do it here. So at least it should be of 2 hours, so that a student can get complete knowledge on that. And after that you can, and after doing this you can also upload here the course um, video that you have to create that and upload it here. And then we have landing page. In this landing page you have to mention all these things, and this will exactly show. Let me just search this thing in Udemy directly, and then we'll see what description I'll get here. So I can just go and search here GraphQL, and then you can see this is the course that is coming, and this is my course. And after that, since I'm the person who has created this, that's why it's showing. But if you will click on this one, right, description, these all things it will show here. And the introduction. So these things you have to fill here. That's why landing page is very important to create your courses here, and then you can fill all these details: levels, development, programming language, categories, and then the course image you can upload here, and promotion video that also you can upload here. And after that, caption will automatically generated for each of your video. Now it comes pricing part. So here you can set the price for your course. So I have set here $20. Now once you can make it free as well, and it's up to you how much cost you want to put here. And it totally depends on the country. For example, if you buy the same course in India and there might be some offer going on, then for example you can see it's showing only 449 rupees. But the same thing if I will open from US, right, in US, then this will be different. It will show in dollar. So once a student will purchase this, you will automatically, it will add in your account, and at the end of the month they will pay after deduction of the taxes and other stuff. So pricing part you can set here, and then promotional activity if you want to do, you can do from here. You can just create course coupon and you can share with your social media accounts and all. So this is how you can create any of your courses. And if you will see here students, so from this student you will get all the students who has you know subscribed your account, and how much they have completed. These all things you will see here. And apart from these all things, you can click on the performance, and from this performance you can see all the courses, student, and income, and all the things that is showing here, right? So you can see number of dollars that you get, a student review, and all the things you will see from here, traffic conversion and all things. So this is very good software, very good website to earn monthly income from the different sources. You can set here, you can go in the account setting, and you can set payment related stuff here, so that that will be directly paid through PayPal to your account. So this is how, even though you can directly search here, if you want my course, you can directly search here Chandan Kumar, and you will see all my courses listed here. So these all things, for example, for the complete Java bootcamp, it's a 4.2 rating, and the total hours is 37 hours course is this, and you have to pay only 449 rupees for this course. So similarly, you can also upload your course and you can earn minimum 5 to 4 to 5,000, and it totally depends on the content and the topic that you choose. So I hope you got to know how to create uh, courses in Udemy and how to be a instructor. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.